In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC in email template Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the CC field in the Salesforce email composer and how to use it alongside your email template so the right people stay in the loop without being the primary recipient. Start by opening the record you want to email from. This is usually a contact or a lead, but the process is similar on other records that support emailing. Navigating from the record ensures Salesforce automatically pulls in the related email address and context, which keeps everything properly associated in your activity timeline. Next, click Send an Email. Depending on your page layout, you'll typically find this in the Activity panel or within an email action on the record. This opens the email composer where you'll draft your message. Now select your email template. Choosing a template saves time and ensures consistency. When you pick a template, Salesforce will merge in available fields like the recipient's name and other details from the record. If your organization uses multiple templates, pick the one that matches your purpose, such as a follow-up or an introduction. You can still personalize the body after selecting the template, but the structure and message will already be in place. In the Composer window, you'll see fields for To, Additional To, CC, and BCC. To is the main recipient pulled from the record. Additional To lets you add more primary recipients who should be addressed directly. CC, or Carbon Copy, is for people who need visibility but aren't the main audience. They'll receive the message and see who else is included. BCC, or Blind Carbon Copy, hides recipients from one another for privacy. To add a CC, click the CC field. You can type an email address directly, or use the lookup icon to search for existing contacts, leads, or users in Salesforce. If you need to include multiple CC recipients, add them one after another, typically separated by commas, depending on your org's configuration. As a best practice, only CC people who truly need the information to avoid cluttering inboxes. If you're dealing with sensitive information, consider whether CC is appropriate or if BCC or a different communication method is better. That's it. Once you've selected your template and added the CC in the composer, the CC recipients will receive a copy when the email is sent, and the activity will be tracked on the record for easy reference. If you don't see the CC field, your administrator may need to add it to the layout or adjust permissions.